I mean, you got to try it all, right? So here we are again, third attempt on Surströmming. Oh, there is not much. Oh, look, it's pretty much broke down.
Oh.
Did we get any fillets? And no.
Oh, we didn't?
We got absolutely nothing again. Thank you. This is twice this same exact brand has sent me garbage. There's nothing in here to eat. There's supposed to be fillets in here. This is not what Surströmming can is supposed to look like. This is what a Surströmming can is supposed to look like. This one doesn't say, like it used to, open underwater outside. I don't know if that's because of our videos, but they didn't put that label on here. You want to open these underwater outside. These are very fragrant. What do you think, Tristan? Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
The fillets.
The fillets? Why? they stink.
Does it look good? Hopefully.
So we are going to still open this underwater. I am going to open this one first. The one that's not bulged. Because this isn't going to have anything in it. I know a lot of people on all their comments, I did it wrong. You're not supposed to open it underwater. You can open it underwater completely. Yes, you can just vent the gas. And that's what I'll do this time. So I'm going to go in with some water. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, he's ready. Oh, wow, look at that. It did not do what this other one did. Smell it?
No.
Wow. Oh, I smell it. You smell it now? Yeah, it smells fragrant. Yes. Nice. We got fillets. Look at these. Beautiful. Beautiful fillets. Big sniff.
It's not that bad. It smells like sardines.
Wow. If you get a quality can of Surströmming, I mean, it doesn't smell good.
No.
It doesn't smell bad. Well, I'm gonna set that one to the side. We're gonna open this one. Ready?
No.
You're gonna take a big sniff of this one too. Okay, that one doesn't even bubble. Let's get an up close look on this one. Oh yeah, she's bubbling. Oh. Can you smell that one? Well, I can smell that one. That one is, whoa.
Oh.
You smell that one?
Ooh. It's a lot worse.
Try to open this one as best we can because this can is so warped. Makes it kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, look what's coming through already.
Is there fillets?
No, that's just chunks.
No. It's disgusting.
Ugh. That, I'm not even going to use that fork in it. There's nothing in there. Come on, big ol' whiff.
Mm-mm.
Yep, big ol' whiff. This is the most solids that we've got from this, and that is...
Ooh.
I think this one's gone a little bit far. What side do you want? That one?
Yep.
Okay, you gonna just copy me, what I do?
No.
Okay,
What?
this is what I'm gonna do with mine. He can do whatever he wants with his. I'm gonna put on some high quality butter.
High quality butter.
This is high quality butter, yeah. I'm gonna go on with some red onions. Boiled potato here. I'm just gonna open it up. This is finger food, right? Some dill. Nice layer of dill all across. And then some chives. And I'm not gonna put any tomato on it yet. That's not traditional, I've been told. But I am gonna grab some of this European sharp cheddar, aged sharp cheddar. Whoa, are you?
It's the butter in mine.
You just go on butter, okay.
No. Onions.
Okay, I'm also gonna go on with some of this sour cream. Put a nice dollop across there, and that'll hold everything together.
No tomatoes?
You can put tomatoes on if you want. You can do whatever you want, bud. I'm just trying to keep mine a little traditional for the first bite. So I'm gonna grab this beautiful fillet here. Probably gonna be a little chewy, but I think it's gonna be delicious. How about you, Tristan?
I like your fillet. Actually, I like that one.
You like that one? You want another one?
No.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do open face. Cheers, man. Cheers. It's salty.
Sardine.
I don't know.
The butter tastes good.
I'm powering through it. You like it?
I like the butter.
What about the fish?
It's alright.
No, take a bite of mine.
I'm good.
No, take a bite of mine. I'll take a bite of yours.
No.
Don't add salt.
Yeah.
Do not add salt. They are salty. I don't think I like them. That's garbage. Do not order from online that one. Order it straight from Sweden because you'll get quality product. Is it a good product? I'll leave that up to you. Cheers. Yeah, it is like salty clam juice. You need a stout beer or something. Are you gonna try this again?
No.
Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Check me out. Check out all my videos.